You all were absent during the pain. Where were you, all these motivational speakers? Nollywood's actress Tonto Dikeh comes out to slam all those asking her to tune down with her love life in the public. My people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you take come across this video, me na K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. For this video, na 2-in-1, my people. The next matter where we go TikTok for insights now about this a veteran actor, Kanayo, aka KOK, my people. He don't come out, can't give us the lessons where we supposed learn behind Obi Kubana mother's burial, as waiting where it take happen for Uber, my people, as in the shutdown. Yes, but before we want to talk inside the matter, if you're here, you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. And if you subscribed already, may God bless you as you supported me. So my people, this our Nollywood actress Tonto Dikeh don't come out, come ask everybody, say make una face una front, as in make una face una front, so that una go see well, make una not dey mind her business. When she was in pains, she was suffering, nobody was there, like she felt her pain by herself. Now where she don't dey feel happy, her new relationship the sweet for body, she won't say carry and come out. Una they come her DM, come they ask her, say make she slow down, asking where were you people when she was in pain, my people. Now the question where she come out, come ask all those motivational speaker, she take and go for her Instagram page, my people, where she writes, say, dear advisors, please kindly get out of my DM so I can see my business DMs to respond to. How you all gonna turn motivational speakers now, but was absent during the pain? It's the audacity for me. My people, she don't come out, come ask people, like, you guys should stay on your lane. Let her live her life to the fullest. She don't come out, come make us understand, say, this her sugar boo, so na better person. Say the man there, na full chest man, as 100 yards husband material, in there as a father and in there as a husband. Let them allow her to express herself, my people. A lot of people don't they complain, say the fact say she they carry her matter to come social media like that, when kasala go boss, now only for social media we go still see. But she is so certain this time around because of the happiness way she take the carry on top her marriage, my people. Yes, because of that happiness, my people, she don't say me nobody come her DM, can't they write her any kind of motivational speech. Let them mind their business, make them day, because when she was suffering before in the past, she was suffering alone. When she was crying, my people, she was crying alone. No be now where she don't come out, she don't get a new man into her life, where her heart don't be healed, where she don't the jolly life and marriage take join together with a partner in her life. Her son don't experience the love of a father, and they grow with a father figure for corner, my people. Now a lot of people won't become motivational speaker, can't they just they spoil her matter for her. She they come out gbas for everybody. As you come left, she give you right. She said me everybody take the her lane. To my people, I don't bring them for us. Can't tell us, say, if you are among those who they write her for DM, say make she carry slow down with the way she carry her matter. They put some for social media. Make you stop, because she don't say make you mind your business. Make una know they carry her matter for head like how market. She not send you. She not send you come. She dey ask you now, say if before you think like she send you come, say make you dey carry her matter for your head like how business. She don't come now, can't tell you, say she no send you. Say make you leave her matter alone, my people. I don't know what to think about the matter, about this particular section of the video, my people. Make una write for comment section what una think about this particular matter and the fact, say this our Nollywood actress, so Tonto Dikeh, the overexpose her matter for social media. We know one thing, say anything will take happen, be it joy or pain, so long as it take this social media, my people, we go bring her up. So make una write for comment section what una think about the particular section of the video. Make we dive for the next one. So my people, the next one where we want to talk about now about this our veteran Nollywood actor KOK. My people, since where this matter for Obi Cubana mother's burial come up, the way KOK don't they surface for social media, my people, it can't they shine our eyes like, where have you been? Like now where you take no say you they shine, like now where you take the understand, say you feel make some kind things, my people. A lot of people don't say it dey like KOK don't realize, say he supposed they give us pepper body like this. So now, so my people, it don't come like can't bring out the advice and the lesson where in believe, say we supposed learn from what it take happen for Obi Cubana mother burial, like the lavishness where it be take there. He said we supposed learn to invest inside society. We supposed learn to invest for people life. Say when you they invest inside people life, when you get something, now those people where you don't invest for their life, now then go can't help you. Say we suppose ask ourselves, say wait till we don't take impact the world with them. As you wait to leave, my people. I say no. This one a better advice, my people. I go bring the video for you, make una watch until the end. Of course, no stop. But before that, I beg, make you not forget to subscribe to this channel. Make you not forget to turn on your post notification. And may God bless you as you take the do. So I will see you on my next video. Ciao, one love.
We all become strong by lifting others. Impact and investments in people is the greatest kind of investment. We all took our time out of our busy schedules to celebrate our brother Obiyebu Opatozuora due to his support and investment in others. Oh yes, it's a burial, but also a celebration of life for his beloved mother, Ezinne Ucheyebu Odoziako. Now ask yourself, how have you in fact impacted those around you? Lessons from the burial. Hard work and being selfless for others pays. Obi Cubana epitomizes that. Helping those in your circle to grow is a huge social capital investment. Now the question is, what is your social capital? If you're not in government, Ikpoku, onye ga-abịa. Onye nwere mmadụ, like the Igbos will say, ka onye nwere ego, okpole, inwere mmadụ.